Alright guys, so today we are replacing mixing wells. Boom. I love them. My lovely cutter do really clean job. Yeah, nice. Look at that. Boom, out. Old one is out. I'm gonna ready to install a new one, guy. I need a 7-inch piece of pipe. A mark there, so my big guy will never make a mistake. Yeah, boom. Other piece, boom. Crimping another one. Alright, making my 90, leveling up. Look like doing great job, man. Boom. Another one. One more boom. Yeah. And other piece of pipe. Alright. Do it, my man, do it. I love that handy tool, man. Honestly, it's always helped me, that tool. Now I gotta do something else. I'm gonna go, friend, and check everything's level right. If it's time to turn the water on, boom. Setting up, off position. Everything looks great to me, man. Let's do the finishing stuff. Boom. Cover on. Couple things on. Boom. Tightening up. Seeing